Hi, I'm Mike, and today we're going to be talking about some obvious problems with your water softener. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. If your soft water conditioner has stopped using salt and is no longer making soft water, you may have what is known as a salt bridge. Here's a way to fix it. So this is an old Kenmore softener. It works fine. It's got the bypass here in the back, but as I open it up, you can see that there's appears to be about a third of a tank of salt in there, but there is just a rock hard surface on it. Looks full, looks normal, but it's not. You can tell by on the bottom here, this is hollow up top, and then it gets like concrete. It just does not budge. And what is likely is another hollow down here, but it's hard as rock. And up here on top, I can take a stick and it's like concrete. So we gotta fix that. So you can use whatever you've got to try to break this up. I've got a broomstick here, and this is pretty hard stuff. You can see here in the back here, there's a void. And that's what I'm talking about. You see, this stuff just caves in. See it just all caving in once I break through it, and that's what it is. Beneath this hard rock of salt is a cavity, and so when the softener regenerates, it doesn't get enough brine to clean the resin. Okay, so I've been picking away at this for a minute or so. It didn't take long at all, and you can see now you can actually take and move this stuff around. Now you could actually remove all this. In fact, some people would say, yeah, go ahead and remove it, shop vac it out, and put new salt in there. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep this here. The level of this salt has dropped about 4 inches, which is about what I would expect. You can see it's all broken up now. I went all around these obstacles here, this brine tank and whatnot, and broke it all up, and it's much better. You remember previously when I banged on it with my hand, it was like concrete. Well, now you can actually hear the salt moving as I beat on it. Well, here's a close-up of where you can see the salt bridge used to be. By breaking that up, it's dropped several inches down to fill up the void. So one lesson here is don't fill the tank all the way to the top with salt. To try to break that up would be nearly impossible, and you'd never even realize it because the water wouldn't get all the way up to the top in order for you to see that there was a salt bridge. So, you know, a third full, a half full is about as max as you want to go, and just keep an eye on it. So I'm going to manually regenerate this tonight, and even then, we really won't be able to tell soft water in showers and laundry whatnot until the hot water in the water heater has been replaced with soft water from the newly regenerated conditioner. You should be able to tell nearly immediately at faucets though. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you on it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.